Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to the new generation ScriptManager program, a versatile script runner that brings together the power of Python, Java, and JavaScript into one unified application. Unlike traditional script managers that rely on terminal-based interfaces, robust multi-language support. Whether you're firing up Python, Java, or JavaScript, ScriptManager comes armed with language-specific launchers and optimized commands that get the job done without fuss. Refresh all status button. Run all scripts and stop all scripts functions. Plus, there's a scheduling feature that allows you to plan your script executions. And this is a setting button to open setting dialog to set settings. In the settings dialog, the logging function, theme settings, and the structure setter for both Windows and Linux are configured. Add new script. Add more scripts. The script added successfully in program. We have categories to help find programming language scripts in the program, like Java, JavaScript, and Python scripts in program. We have a button in the terminal that shows the script terminal log anytime. This is an info button in this dialog showing the script's name, location, status, and uptime. We open the script schedule dialog to set the schedule. In this dialog, you set your script schedule to run and stop at specific times. You can see in this category the script count that scripts have in the Java and JavaScript categories. In each button category, display all scripts in one combined list. This is a preview of a new generation ScriptManager program. I will show you how to obtain this program. Join my Discord server link in description and go to Ticket channel and click on Purchase button to buy. This is my Discord profile.